This is just showing how our UV security system works and that it works. You can also lock and unlock from the other side. And then if you want to lock from this side, you can do that too. You press it, hold it, and lock. The red circle that's showing up and flashing is because the batteries are low and you just need to change the batteries. So it does have that feature. So this is the Eufy security lock. It has a quick lock and unlock feature where you swipe down. And then it also gives you a notification when it locks or unlocks, unless you change that feature. You can hide it or close it. Then you can also manage access with multiple people. I have 2 people in there already. And then there's locks, events, history. This is the Nest Yale app. You initiate there and you press your code and it locks. And then it also has standard lock on the back, and then there's batteries there. This lock can turn a lock and unlock wherever you want in the world, pretty much, as long as you have internet. This is the Nest Yale app. You can lock or unlock it anywhere, pretty much, in the world, as long as you have internet. Pressing the button there. You also have guest access that you can set up in here, very easy. Multiple people, different times, whenever you want. There's also history. You can choose to see whatever day you want. If you'd like to purchase this, you can let me know, and we can also confirm that my app is disconnected, so there's no information, it's wiped out, and you can use it. Okay.